Welcome to Heavenly Living.
So the first step to make this vegan carob chips or chunks or drizzle is you're gonna put water to boil, and you are going to do another bowl on the top, and you are going to add these ingredients that I have, which the first one is going to be coconut oil. So we're gonna be adding 1 cup of coconut oil. So we're gonna be adding the 1 cup of coconut oil. I personally like the extra virgin coconut oil because I like the taste of the coconut, but if you don't like it, then you can just get the refined coconut oil. Okay, now as soon as your coconut oil is melting, I just add 1/4 or 1/8 of a cup of honey. You can use sucanat, but I'm using this honey. And the reason is that you can do 1/4 is because if you're gonna be adding it to any other dessert that is already sweet, you can cut down the sweetness of the carob. But if you're just gonna use it alone to do the carob chips or the chunks, then you do 1/4. And now you just add it all, and you will be mixing it until everything is melted completely. As you can see, mine is almost melted. I'm gonna be using this carob powder. It could either be 1/2 cup or 3/4 of a cup. And here it goes. And the reason I'm using carob powder is because it does not have any caffeine. And it's still delicious. Personally, I like it. And now I'm going to grab a whisk, a little hand whisk, and I'm gonna slowly incorporate the honey, the coconut oil, and the carob powder until it dissolves. Now it completely is dissolving. You're gonna be adding the instant coffee, and this one is caffeine free. Let me show you. Or you could do Pero, P-E-R-O. I'm gonna be doing 1 teaspoon. I'm sorry, yeah, 1 teaspoon. Sorry. And that just gives it a better taste to the carob chips. And now it's completely dissolved. I'm gonna be showing you. I'm gonna turn off the little the pot already. You could try it too to see if you want to put more sugar. I mean more honey or sucanat. So right now my daughter is gonna be making the peanut butter. Well, she adds it not completely until she makes like a little like a butter, like a paste. And you can see how it's a little clumpy, but then it turns into peanut butter. And what you do is you add the carob on the bottom, and then you add the peanut butter on the top, and then at the end the carob. But you have to wait for the carob, for the bottom to sit, to make harden, so you put it in the freezer. So it's almost a peanut butter, as you can see. Now we're gonna fill the cups almost halfway, maybe 1/4 of the peanut butter. I'm sorry, not the peanut butter, the carob. Okay, now here is our carob melted. Now we're gonna be adding it. Not completely, and you will make a little bit of a mess. If you want to do it with spoons, you can do it. Let me show you how it looks. And now you're gonna put them in the freezer. They will harden. I might think maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna be checking and I'll tell you how long it took for them to harden. Now I'm gonna be pouring the carob that is melted that I made in this funnel. To the container, so it's kind of a little bit easier. So I'm gonna be pouring this into the carob, into the granola cereal or clusters or anything that you want to make, and you pour it on top and then you put it in the freezer. This is a